Hey y'all, so I am bringing you a little leg and booty workout in this exercise video for you. Trust me, your quads and your glutes are gonna be on fire, but that's the only way you're gonna be able to change how your booty looks and get it nice and perky and up there. So just check this out. It's not that difficult at all. It's definitely doable for beginners. I'm using in most of these exercises, you'll see that I have them weighted, but if it's too much for you, just ditch the weights. So go ahead and give it a look-sees. If you enjoy it, please, please, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel. That way you never miss a fit or beauty or style tip with Lace Lovin' Laura. So let's get started. Your first set is going to start out with a myo rep of hip thrusts. So you can see here that I'm taking my time, activating my glutes and squeezing them to lift my hips up for these hip thrusts. I'm starting out with a set of 10, and then I'm just taking like a breath or two in between. And I'm doing, for me, I chose to do sets of 5, and again, just take 1 to 2 breaths and then continue until I was at the point of failure with my glutes being on fire. I was able to get another 4 sets of 5 busted out in this set. And simply repeat to do one more time all the way through. Your next exercise is going to be a combination of a side step into a sumo squat. So basically, just step out to the side, make sure that your toe is slightly turned out so it matches the line of your knee, and then just squat down and press yourself back up to standing with your legs together. I do a total of 10, and that completes for one set. You're going to repeat this for a total of 3 times. As you can see, I chose to go ahead and throw a barbell up across my shoulders to add the weight to my squat to really get my glutes on fire. You can, though, if you don't feel comfortable using a barbell, you can, of course, always just hold on to a dumbbell. Just hold it up in front of your chest. Your next exercise is going to consist of your first superset, and it's lunges. Oh baby, this one, your quads are going to be on fire. But as you can see, I have the barbell up across my shoulders again, and you're just doing a simple lunge to and from the plate. So make sure that you have a nice stance. It takes a little bit to find the exact distance from your feet placement and the plate. But once you do, you'll feel rock solid. Even watching myself right now, I could actually pay more attention and maybe widen my stance. That way my knee stays right above my ankle, just for better alignment and safety of my knee, so you're not putting too much pressure on that joint. You're going to perform a total of 10 on each leg. Yes, I said 10 on each leg. If you need to start out with less, go ahead, because this definitely is going to get your quads on fire. You can also hold on to dumbbells just down at your sides if you don't have the barbell. You can also do this without the weight and work your way up to adding a little extra more intensity into this exercise.
And then you guessed it, you're going to repeat this for another 2 times for a total of 3 sets altogether. And the last exercise to complete this leg workout and booty sculpting day is going to be another superset, and it's a combination of deadlifts going from a parallel stance into a slightly turned out position. I don't want you to raise all the way up, that way it puts the tension really into your glutes, right where the hamstring attaches underneath your seat. I want to give you a front angle as well. That way you can see the amount that I move my toes. It's very slight. At the same time, again, don't raise up all the way, and also make sure to keep your knees slightly bent as you perform this. You're going to do a total of 10. Parallel and turned out equals 1. So you're going to do this 10 times through for a total of 3 subsets.
So that completes your leg and booty workout for today's session. It's not that difficult. Anyone can really do this, and you can just make it more challenging for yourself with the amount of weight that you add to the positions and your exercises. So make sure to go ahead and give it a try out. That way you can see for yourself that it is doable, and you're going to start feeling it, and you're going to start to see change, which is always the best thing when you're working out, working so hard and busting a sweat, and then you notice like, ooh, my tushy looks a little more perky this week than it did last week. So if you liked this video, please, please, please give it a thumbs up. I would so appreciate that. Also, if you haven't, make sure to click that button below and hit subscribe. You can also leave me a comment. That way I can see what you have to say and bring you what you're interested in. You can also follow me on Instagram at LaceLovinLaura. I will have all the details to this workout listed below for you. That way, if you are a rider downer like I am, you can take a little picture of it and take it with you to the gym to give it a try. So until next time, get those glutes on fire.